Today what we're going to be doing, we're going to be making the fast food game. So this is the third game in fundamentals. So you're going to click on create. And then file, load from your computer just like last time. Find fastfood.sb3, click on open and click OK. So what this game is, there's going to be a boy and a girl, and there's going to be food. So the food, there's a pizza and there's ice cream. So the boy only eats the pizza and the girl only eats the ice cream. So that's the main point of the game. First thing we're going to do, we're going to add code for the stage. So click on stage. Then you're going to go to events, when flag clicked. You're going to go to variables, and you're going to add three things. So set food to 0, so you're going to have three of these. So it's just going to say set food to 0 3 times. What we're going to do, we're going to change the first one to time, set time to 0, set score to 0, and then set food to 0. So you can leave that. And then we're going to do this as 120. You also want to check two of these boxes. So you're going to check score and time. So what this is going to do, this is going to make our score and time appear on the screen. And they have 120 seconds to finish. Now, for our code, you're going to go to control and add a repeat until. This is your first time using a repeat until block. So what this is going to do, you're going to go to operators and find the one with the equal sign in the middle. And then change the 50 to 0. And then in the first blank, you're going to go to variables and add time. So this is saying that the game will repeat until the time is equal to 0. So until the 2 minutes run out of time. Now you can go to control and add wait 1 second inside of here. And then variables, change food by 1, but we're going to make this change time by 1. And let's make it -1. So what this is saying, the time will go down every 1 second. And then at the very end, go to control, scroll down, and add stop all. So this is our code for the stage. Now, we're going to go to the food sprite. Over here, you're going to go to events, when flag clicked, go to looks, and then add hide. Go to control and add a repeat until block again. And now inside of this, you're going to do the same thing as before. Go to operators, find the one with the equal sign in the middle, make the 50 0, and go to variables and drag out time. So now you're going to go to control, wait 1 second and make it maybe about 2 seconds. Wait 2 seconds, and then you're going to go to variables, set food to 0, add it right under that. But now you're going to go to operators, find the one that says pick random 1 to 10, but change it 1 to 2. Now under that, you're going to go to motion, go to x6, y -113, and you can leave the numbers as they are. Now, you're going to add an if-then-else loop. So this one, and put it inside of the repeat until. And then inside of the trapezoid, you're going to go to operators again and add the one with the equal sign. Make the 50 1. And then in the first box, you're going to write food. If food is equal to 1. Then go to looks and add switch costume to pizza. Put it in the if part, but change the pizza to ice cream. Then in the second part, you're going to do switch costume to pizza. Now scroll down in looks and add show in between the two orange lines. So not inside of this else part, but put it outside. And then under that, you're going to broadcast ready. So go to events and broadcast message 1 and type in ready. So now what we're going to do, when I receive message 1, so this is going to be a whole new block. When I receive message 1, change that to ready. Add a forever loop from control. And then add an if-then loop inside of that. And inside of the trapezoid, you're going to go to sensing and add touching mouse pointer, but change it to touching boy. Then inside of that, you're going to go to looks and drag out hide. Now, you're going to use another if then else statement. You're going to go to control and add an if then else inside. So it's going to be under hide. And you're going to do operators. So if food, so go with the equal sign one. And then I drag out food. So if food is equal to 2, change score by 1. So change score by 1, which is still in variables. And then else, inside the else part, you're going to go to control and stop all. Now, you're going to add another if-then loop, control if-then, and you are going to put it over here. So it's going to be outside of this if-then loop. So there should be 2 orange lines above it. Now you're going to go back to sensing and add touching mouse pointer, but make it touching girl this time. Go to looks and add hide again. So basically the same format as the code above. Then add another if-then loop from control, but it's going to be if-then else, and put it under hide. And now inside of the trapezoid, you're going to go to operators, add the one with the equal sign in the middle. Do the same thing as you did before. Go to variables and add food and make it 1. And then you're going to change score by 1. Change score by 1. Else stop all. So this is what your end product should look like. There should be 3 orange lines left at the bottom. So basically, what this code is doing, this is saying that repeat until the time runs out and set food random 1 to 2. So we have assigned the ice cream as number 1 and the pizza as number 2. So if the food is equal to 1, switch the costume to ice cream. If the food is equal to 2, switch it to pizza. Then, if the pizza touches the boy, then the score will go up by 1. But if the ice cream touches the boy, the game will stop. Same thing for girl. If the ice cream touches the girl, the score will go up by 1. But if the pizza touches the girl, then the game will end. So let's try it out. Click on go. So the pizza, you drag it to the boy. Ice cream, drag it to the girl. Ice cream, drag it to the girl. So you see how I kind of glitched and I went on this side instead of this side. That's why the game ended and the time stops. So if you could start again. Ice cream, pizza. Ice cream, ice cream. So if I go this side, then the game will stop, the time will end. So yeah, that is your game 3. I hope you enjoyed.